this means that on here, if you had a line like this, 5 minutes, 12 minutes, this is time in minutes. And this is, the Y represents credits, or winnings, right? Credits. The y-intercept is at 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This point means 8 credits in 0 minutes. So that means your y-intercept means, the y-intercept means he had 8 credits before he even started playing video games. He, who's he? Jesse. Jesse had 8 credits before he started playing. Okay, that's what it means. So my suggestion is, when it asks for meanings, to draw it out and see. Okay, the back side, solve that. I need the least common denominator, which is 6, so multiply everything by 6, including this one. Don't forget this one. Multiply that by 6 also. Multiply this one by 6. Cross cancel. Cross cancel. That gives you a 2 here. Okay, 2 times that. So here it leaves you negative 3 only times 2n minus 5 equals to 36. Here gives you plus 2 times 2n plus 6. This 2 right here, I put it in front of there like that. That gives me 4 parentheses n plus 6. Okay. 36 equals to negative 3 parentheses 2n minus 5. That distribute this to this. That's 4n. Distribute 24. Negative 6n and a positive 15. Negative 6n plus 15 equals, combine these two together, that gives you 60. 4n plus 60. Add 6n gives me 10n plus 60 equals to 15. Okay, minus 60. I hope I didn't mess up somewhere. Make careless mistake. Minus 60 equals to negative 45. Add it. 45 plus 15 is 60 equals to 10n. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. N equals to negative 4 and 1/2. Okay? That's what n is. Okay, here make an equation below that is no solution or infinite solution. I like making no solution because I can pick any number I want. Explain how you know your equation you have created have no solution or infinite solution. I'm going to do no solution today. Okay? You can do infinite if you want. Do one, not both. Use the word coefficient and constant to explain. Okay, always, here's your walls. Do one with a lot of stuff first. Do this first. Okay, let's make up some numbers. Do not use 1. It says do 1, not both. Okay, on my next instruction, I will ask you not to choose 1 as a number. So I can choose 2 if you want, but anything but 1. That gives you 2x plus 3 parentheses 2x minus 2. Yes, Bryce. 2x plus 6x. Yes, Bryce.
John, please.
What?
Wait this after you're done.
You're done with all your homework?
Yes.
Did you read for 30 minutes?
Yes.
Did you speed read? I need to time you, huh?
I need to speed read my vocabulary.
Okay, then go over your vocabulary.
Speed read.
Go over your vocabulary. 8x minus 6. Okay, once you get 2, notice this only have 2 terms also. So you pick a number for it to be no solution. It has the coefficient has to be the same. So this has to be an 8. And this can be any number. I can make it 77. So 8x minus 77. I can choose any number but 6. So how do I know that this is no solution? I can say I know this problem is no solution. This problem is no solution because the coefficient of 8 is the same on both sides. Oh, Tuesday is hard for me. I have everyone calling me. And the constants, oh, shoot. The constant 6, -6 and -7 are different. -6 and -77 are different. Okay, it is very important. It is very, very important that when you explain that you give me these numbers here, coefficient, so I know you know which one is coefficient, that the 8 is coefficient, and which one are constants. You need to tell me that. Okay? Then finish solving it. Minus 8x, minus 8x. Ah, it's annoying. -6 equals to -77, not equal. So therefore it's no solution. Okay? Shariva is flying to visit her relative in Boston. Budget Air charges $12 for a round-trip ticket, but charges $2 per pound of luggage. So $12 for a round-trip ticket, but charges $2. Okay, so they add $2 per pound. Per means times. So 2 times the pound of luggage, P. Cheap Air, so that's budget. Cheap Air charges $4 for a round-trip ticket, but charges $6, okay, but they add $6 per, $6, oh, not 4. $6 per means time, pound of luggage, times P. Write an equation for each airline. Use Y to represent the total cost. Okay, so we want the total cost is going to be Y. Total cost is going to be Y. For the flight, and X for the weight of luggage in pounds. Okay, so instead of P, we use X for pounds. So, okay, write an equation for each airline. Okay, so budget forgot the D is 12 plus 2x equal to Y, and Cheap Air is 4 plus 6x equals to Y. Okay? Graph. Well, okay. We got, we can probably use 1 for each of them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay, graph. Let's see. These ones, okay. Number of luggage. Now, cost is always the Y, okay? The other one is the pound in luggage. Right? Yeah, per pound. Your X represents the weight of luggage in pound. X represents the weight of luggage in pound. Okay, this is weight of luggage in pound. Okay, so we graph each one of them. 12 right here, up 2 over 1, 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Okay, that one is budget. I'm going to use another color, red, for cheap air. Cheap air is at 4. And go up 6, 2, 4, 6 over 1. 2, 4, 6 over 1. Hey, look where they meet. 2, 4, 6 over 1. Okay, somewhere like that. The red one is cheap air. We'll put budget right here. Yes. I'll never get this done, Bryce, because either someone interrupts me. What is it? What? Ask your brother to help you out.
Okay.
What does the intersection represent? That right there? Right there, that intersection right there. What does it represent? The intersection what's the coordinate? 2, 16. 2, 16 represents $2 represents both airline charges. $16 for 2 pounds
Hey.
to fly with them. So basically they represents both airline charging $16 for 2 pounds for 2 pounds. It's the only time they charge the same. This is the only time they charge the same for the same amount of pounds. Well, anyway, explain which company is best for Karina to use and why. Okay, well, if Karina plans to bring less than 2 pounds, then she would choose cheap air, because in every part it's cheaper. For example, at 1 pound, cheap air charges only $10, okay, while budget charge $14. But if Karina wants to bring more than 2 pounds, now 2 pounds doesn't matter, more than 2 pounds, budget is best. For example, at 3 pounds, budget charge $18, while cheap, if you notice, cheap charges a lot more than that, probably about $22. So make sure when you explain this, give mathematical reasoning. Okay, and everything after that would be more